Since 1980, the United States has experienced 426 climate and weather disasters, which have cost more than $1 billion, with the dollars being adjusted for inflation to 2026 dollars. The total cost of all of these events have exceeded $3.1 trillion, and these events have cost 17,194 lives. One of the early predictions of climate change is that the number of severe weather events which cause such disasters would increase as climate change worsened. And the number of these natural disasters costing more than $1 billion has certainly been increasing, as one can observe from the graph of the average number per year in the 1980s to 1990s to 2000s to the 2010s to the 2020s. Not only is the 2020 to 2025 average higher than at any previous measured point, the last 3 years, so 2023, 2024, 2025, have had the greatest number of billion-dollar disasters, with the year 2025 experiencing 23 separate events. While all of these events cost more than $1 billion, the grand total can obviously exceed that depending on the nature of the disaster. And as one can see, the average cost per year in billions of dollars has steadily increased. In the year 2025, these events cost $115 billion. Is the number of billion-dollar disasters an important metric to measure? Well, as demonstrated here, the government has felt so since the 1980s. However, in the year 2025, NOAA posted a message saying that it would no longer be measuring this metric. It stated on its website, in alignment with evolving priorities, statutory mandates, and staffing changes, NOAA's National Centers for Environmental Information will no longer be updating the billion-dollar weather and climate disasters product. Luckily, other organizations have taken on the burden of measuring this important metric now that the government was mandated to stop measuring this.